Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the high resolution imagery from Google Earth to use in your mapping. So let's zoom in somewhere. This area here. Just give Google Earth a few minutes to load. So this is Google Earth imagery. You can see some information here. So for example, this image was taken in May 2019. This imagery that Google Earth has typically has a resolution of up to 1 meter per pixel. So we want to capture that type of resolution in the imagery. See here, sometimes Google Earth has these photos that you can look at. I often like to turn these off and just all the other features because we don't really need them for mapping the geology. So yeah, so ultimately when we save image, we can say go here, file, save image, and different map options of things to add. So feel free to add legends, titles, scales, and so forth. But then the important part here is to look at the resolution. So you see the maximum resolution can be 4,800 times 2,000, about 800. So we want to make sure that to get our 1 meter per pixel, that this long length of our image is about 5 kilometers. So we have about 5,000 pixels, we'll get 1 pixel per meter, which is again about the maximum resolution of the imagery. So you can come up to this ruler tool and put it across the image. So here we see that we're at 14 kilometers. So we would not get the highest resolution imagery possible at that scale. So we can zoom in, and the idea is just to iteratively try again. So now we're at 4.6, so that's pretty good. We could use that. Could also zoom out a teeny bit. We're at 5.7, so either is good. So let's say we decide to keep this, then we can go to File, Save Image. Save our files, save image. So then again, you want to be really sure that you go and you select the maximum resolution and you say save image. And for me, the default is to save it to the desktop. So you can change it to where you prefer it to go. We'll just call it Google Earth image. I want to be a little bit more descriptive, but also it's good to include the date. So 0503, I believe, 2019. So the image is being prepared. It's going to take a minute or so for it to save. And then it's really easy if you want to keep the zoom and say get an image just to the north. Then you just move where you're looking, but you don't change your zoom at all. And then you can easily save another image. So that's how we save images on Google Earth.